IREN stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be breaking all of this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And as I'm quickly overviewing IREN Limited, $10.48. This is such a crazy good bullish market, like really. And guess who was here looking to take it further up when it was $7? Well, me. Look at this. It was sitting at 812 a month ago, 14th of May. IREN, man, it was so decent. Like, I don't know why it's not popping up in the disc, but here's the proof.
And stock analysis.
$8, right?
Not met, then I'm actually not gonna buy.
Look to take it, but it, I mean, it looked for it to pull down and then deliver. And this is exactly what happened. I mean, you can see it pulled down and then did its thing. Copy the timestamp a little bit. And ultimately, unless I see the price giving me any sort of shift, then I guess I'm not going to be buying really. So that's my demand zone. And if there's no pull downs, no nothing, then I guess I'm not going to buy. But confirmation must be met. It must be met. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading and get my free insights, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.